Yeah, so yesterday we looked at formatting, where we talked about number formatting, how you can change, date formatting, how you can change decimal points if you want how many decimal points. You can also change to currency, like this name we change to, we change this to percentage. This active cell hapa cell before, if you see hapa juu it's written percentage, but ukiangalia hapa nikiclick 100 this side, this A2 ni click cell A2, you can see hapa ni general, so that means it's just general. It has no specific format. This one is percentage, this one is also percentage, and that this is currency. I hope you're seeing hapa juu it's changing. This one was percentage, and now this is currency. Also, we talked about this is accounting. We used a thousand separator. We say the thousand separator ni hii hapa, comma style that yes. So yeah, so that was on formatting. So now we want to look at content formatting. So with content formatting, just the things that we did for Word and PowerPoint. So here we'll be looking at how to bold, how to italize, how to underline, double underline, font color, font size, background. So Lillian, right? Acha niende kwa this sheet. This student mark sheet, at least iko na text. Okay. So Lillian, let's say I want to apply formatting to row 1 yote. What do I do? Row 1 yote. So row 1 imebeba this column ya name, iko na English, math, science, average, total, minimum. Let's say I want to make all of these bold. Row 1 yote bold. What do I do?
You highlight first.
Okay.
You click and
so let's say ndio nime highlight. Then
you go to home, and then there's a tab that is written B. You click on it.
Okay. So here, Cynthia?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Good. So that is it. Sasa hiyo ni apply formatting. That is bold formatting. So formatting content. So let's say I want nataka kuweka this nini to italic. Maybe the names from row 2. Niseme tu from A2 to A5. What do I do? I want to italize the names.
Or you click on the A2 to A2, and then you drag down, and then you click on the ital next to bold on the top left corner. Yeah, you click on it.
Yes, yes. Okay, yeah, that's good. So that's to make bold. Then next we can next we can let's say I want to underline. Let's say I want to underline the first row. What do I do? This first row. Row 1. What do I do if I want to underline?
My connection is a bit unstable. Or you're asking, I didn't get something. I want to click on it.
I'm asking, I want to bold, and not bold, I want to underline the content here, row 1. What do I do?
Row, you want to highlight, underline.
I want to underline, yeah. I want to apply underline formatting for row 1.
Row 1.
Yes.
You click on name. Okay, you click on name, and then you drag, and then you click on the U and you're gonna underscore. Yeah, the underscore one in here.
Yeah. Okay, I get you. Yeah. So here we have underline and double underline. So let's say I just want to let me highlight some. Moja zingine niweke underline, then zingine niweke double underline. So if I underline, it's going to be like that. So name, English, maths, and science is underline. Then let me select this. These others, and if I make a double underline, so you see the difference. double underline. Are you seeing the difference?
Yeah, this underline, yeah, from minimum is a bit.
This one is just underline, then double underline.
Bolder kidogo.
Yes. Which one is bolder?
Underline. I didn't get double underline.
Double underline. Okay. Acha ni undo. So if I double
underline is a bit.
Ni double underline, just the name tu ni double underline. Ni kama ile unaweza andika jina yako then unai underline twice. So that is it, double underline. Yeah. So this is just underline or single, then double underline ni double. Yes. Okay. So let's say I want to change the font color, the content here A2 to A5. What do I do? I want to change the font color, your content here A2 to A5.
Font color.
Let's say I want to give it color blue. Yes, font color. I want to change the color. This one is black. So let's say I want to change the color from black to blue. Yeah, from cell A2 to A5. What do I do?
You click on it, highlight.
Well, yeah, that's let me select. Yes, done. I've selected them.
And then you click on paint. It's one fill color. I mean, it's one. Oh, font color. You click on the A with the underline.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, so let me go for blue. Say nataka kuiweka blue. Yes.
What's font color?
So yeah. So Moni may change color from black to blue.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's say I want to change the background color, the first row, that is row 1. What do I do?
Row 1, you highlight.
Yeah, let me say first select.
Let's highlight. And then you want to change the color. The font color or the background color?
The background color. Unaona hapa ni white, si ndio? It's white. Let's say I want to change it to gray. What do I do?
You highlight it and then you go to the color the paint that is pouring. That one.
The paint that is pouring.
Yeah, that's okay. Then you click
what are you know where they are? You're right though. Yes, Nico. Let's choose gray. This gray, in light gray. So they look a background too. So let me choose that. Yeah. Now you see, like it's standing out. It's just like someone can see this is the heading. Like yeah. Yes. So what about if I want to change the font size? What is the current font size? Yeah, is it
11.
11. Now what is the font?
Calibri.
So let's say I want to change the font size here, row 1 to maybe 14. Where do I go to?
You
first let me acha select kwanza, yes.
And then you click on 11, hapo mali 11 iko, and then you choose 14.
Choose 14.
Drop down 14.
Nice. Yeah, so hizi naona like hazijani, so acha ni extend hapa. Ni extend that ifit kila kitu. Naona image nini? Image fill. And let me just get nirudishe tu to nini, but yeah, let me just niweke back to when ilikuwa ndio ifit vizuri. Sitaki iende nje sana. Okay, next is, yeah, we've done background color. So that is content formatting. We've done that. So let's move to alignment and borders. What alignments? Let me select kwanza. Select this, then uniambie ni alignment gani saizi iko nazo. Does it have any alignment? You know about alignment, right?
Alignment. Yeah,
Yes.
alignment, I think it's justified. Is it justified? Center.
Okay, that
Center.
one can be challenged. Let me select the text hapa. And then what do I do if I want to align this to center? Unaona the selected text?
Or you click on,
Can you see?
Yeah.
I click on?
Yeah. You click on the one on where home, and then there's
Just describe what
put your
unajua.
cursor alignment enye iko na
Yes,
zote
alignment iko hapo.
zinafanana. Alignment
No,
iko hapo number
hazifanani.
2. Number 2.
The second one, the middle one.
Like I can't describe the difference. No, unataka kuweka center.
Oh, you can't see the difference.
Up,
Nataka kuweka center.
go up kidogo. Up on that. Yes, hapo. Click on it.
Hapo. This is a middle align.
This middle.
If you just want to align center, you just center your content, center your content. Unaona hiyo iko hapo chini. But in middle align, unaona you align text so that it is centered between the top and the bottom of the cell. So inakuwa katikati, it is also inakuwa the same place, so it is centered between the top and the bottom of the cell. But if I choose, let me choose center. Ndio hiyo imerudi center.
Oh, center.
Yeah. So zile zilikuwa kwa nini? This is bottom align text to the bottom. And then this is a middle align. You align text so that it's centered between the top and the bottom of the cell. Then you also have align text to the top. So if I click align text to the top, let's see what happens. Align text to the top. Have you noticed it move? Mimi nimeona move. Have you noticed it move?
Yeah, it
moved just slightly. Yeah, it's very slightly. Okay, so yes.
Yeah.
So alignment, we have vertical and horizontal. So with vertical, ni top, middle, and bottom. This is a juu. This is a juu. This is vertical, and then horizontal ni the left, center, and right. In an indentation. So let's say I want to indent easy. Maybe ini decrease ident, increase ident. Have you noticed any change? Zime move from the nini. Yeah. Let me Control Z, then I do it again so that you can see. Increase ident. It increase the space iko nayo between the left margin.
Yeah.
Hadi mali text inaanzia. So we also have let's say we also have a right click so you can smart lookup, delete, insert, filter, sort, the data, insert comments, define name. Quick analysis.
Hello. Morning.
Okay, so we also have borders. With for content formatting, we also have cell borders. So with borders, do you know that to nini ushainama nikwambie tu how to weka border ama kutoa border? Okay, so let's say I select these cells, then with borders, ndio hii hapa. So this iko na bottom border, apply borders to the currently selected cells. So we have bottom border, top border, left, right, no border, all borders. So nikiweka all borders, mark venye hapa saizi borders ni hizi, unaona hizi borders ni hizi zenye unaona like just the borders of the table. So let's say I want to add, nataka kuweka borders maybe za hapo peke, then niweke all borders. Are you seeing any change?
Yep.
Yes. Sasa like it's, yeah, the borders are more defined than venye hizi ziko. Unaona hizi, yes, you can see this is a cell, but it's not more defined. It's not defined like, yeah. So you can do the all borders. So let's say upper I want to do only bottom or top border. You can go there and choose maybe let's choose thick outside borders. So thick outside borders, unaona, this is outside border. It is not all border. So only the outside border, it's nini thick. So let's say I want also to do maybe, let's say I also want to change maybe this to bottom, make it to bottom border peke. Now so unaona the bottom border is more defined when you come easy. Yes, so that is with border. And then you also have a merge and center. So merge and center you use when you want to merge cells. So let's say I want to merge this name and English. Yeah, Richard. Okay, so if I click merge and center, merging cells only keeps the value and discards the other values. Okay. Are you seeing any change? Are you seeing? So merging a cell is like you're combining two or more cells together. Okay, just Control Z. Yes. So let's say I want to merge this. Let me try merging this. Many options to merge and center, merge across, merge cells. So if I just merge cells, only keep the palette value and discard the rest. So now like okay, let me just use content in here, but place cells in here, zina vitu. So let's say I want to merge these cells. So if I click merge cells, well, now it's one big one. CO divided kama hizo zingine. So you can also merge cells. Yes, so tumeangalia borders. To nini borders.
Why would you need to?
Any question?
I'm saying, why would you need to merge cells? Like, what is the function
merge
of
cells?
merging? Yeah.
Merging cells is mostly used for titles. Can use it for titles. Ama nini? Why would you need to merge cells? Let's say yeah. It's only going to kick to Nini Richard. Let's say, are you seeing what is here right now?
Yep.
We only have Richie Richards. So let's say unaona kama hii venye nimemaji Richie Richards, that means information yenye iko hapo kando, it only belongs to Richie Richards. So let's say if you are using another, let's say we were using another nini. How do I say this? Okay, let me just use another example. Kuna any cell hapo yenye hatujatumia. Any sheet, I mean. Sheet 5. Like we can just add another sheet. Let me zoom that. So let's say hapa kwa hii sheet niseme tu nimeandika name. Si ndio? Then maybe I write Lilian. So if I write Lilian and then hapa maybe niseme hapa niseme I write something like the marks ama niseme I want to enter your information. Sasa hapa niweke maybe ni enter grade, then hapa school,
Yep.
school, maybe vitu kama hizo. Let me add something else so equate the things. Ni add nini hapa? My address. Let me just add address. Yeah. So let's say grade, you have an A. School niseme to ABC. Then address pia ikue ABC. So unaona with this nini, for you to show that all this information that about Lillian, I can merge these cells. Let me just, I can merge these cells so ikuwe tu information iko hapa kando ni ya Lillian. See ati ni 3 different things. So we also have merge across. Let me just merge and center. Yeah. So inakuwa kitu kama hiyo. Ni kama ile maybe you have one topic, then the next cells maybe have the same thing about that topic. So instead of having inakaa like different things outside, so inaonyesha tu this is about such a topic, or this is all about Lily or something like that. So umeelewa?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Let's go back to. So yeah. Yeah, so next let's look at charts. Charts pia we did kwa Word and nini. Charts pia we did. I don't know if you noticed, but when you're inserting a chart kwa Word ama PowerPoint, ilikuwa inakuletea a sheet like a nini ya kuenter information. Already it comes with a predefined, then you enter to edit. Can you remember? Lillian? Ama umesahau?
Yes.
So
So
with the charts, so charts convert data into visual meaning. So with charts, ziko hapa. Charts ziko hapa. So let me just click this down nini. Umeona mali nimeenda kunini charts kwa insert. Ziko kwa insert zote, even kwa Word iko kwa insert, kwa PowerPoint iko kwa insert. So you go to insert and then you go to charts. Let me go to a new sheet. Let me add another nini. Let me add another sheet. So with the charts, we have select the cell. Anasema to create a chart, select the cells that contain the data you like to use. So first, let me enter data. So let's say I want to enter data. Let's say Jan, andike hapo Jan, Feb, March, no, April. No, April. So after writing this, nimesahau kuweka month. Let me just add, instead of editing everything, I can just insert a row. So umeona kitu nimefanya? So instead of, maybe you realize there's something you need to name, instead of just editing or deleting everything, you can just insert a row hapo, and then not name, I'm supposed to write the heading or the title. Then hapa ikue sales. So we are going to do a chart for sales this month. So let's say hapa ni 12,000. Then hapa ni 18,000. I'm sorry, naandika zeros instead of zeros. Naandika O's instead of zeros. Then 15,000. 20,000. If you just want to go move to the next nini, the bottom cell, you just enter and then it will move on its own. Okay, so hapa we have sales. So we have for January, February, March, and April. Okay, so if you want to use charts, unaona pale like ulikuwa inasema you need to size it's bringing us, but in Excel you need to select the cells that you want to create a chart for. Zile zingine, the other applications, Word na nini, Word na PowerPoint, they are bringing when you click Let me just stop nini. Let me just open a word nini so nikuonyeshe what I'm talking about. Let me find this. See here. Oh, hapa tuna any word document. So, let me share something else. Ndio tuione vizuri. I'm just going for entire screen. Naona hapo inataka kunisumbua. So, what I'm telling you kwa nini, if you want to insert a chat kwa Word ama kwa nini, if you go here, then maybe I click on chat, and then I want to do this chat, sindio? And then I click, okay, column chat. Are you seeing the pop-up? Are you seeing this? Lillian, are you able to see this?
Yes.
Yes. So, unaona hapa it brings you the Excel nini. So unaona already it has some data. Then tell me to sample data. So here you can choose. Here you can choose a series. So niseme say hapo ndio niweke hapo niweke sales. Hiyo series 1, let me write sales. Then hapa ndio maybe naweza weka Jan, then hapa niweke Feb. So something like that. Unaona ukiangalia hapa chini. Ukiangalia hapa chini hizi zimechange to Jan na Feb. Though bado ni category 3 ni category 4, and then I can also change the data. So niseme data hapa ni 12,000 when ilikuwa, then this is 18,000. Sorry. 12,000 then 18,000. Have you seen when hizo chat zimerudi? Umeona chat imerudi imerudi chini to take the data that I'm entering.
Yeah.
So once you enter hapa kwa hiyo chat, yeah. So let me say this is 20, let me give one, maybe let's say 10,000. Yeah, something like that. So unaona hapa imerudi from, imeweka sasa values. So imeanza from 0 to 20,000. So yeah, that's what I was talking about. Let me stop sharing and then I share the other name. The window. Yeah, so let's do this. So tulikuwa hapa kwa, yeah, after we've written this nini, then let's say I want to create a column chart. That's how we were looking at charts. So we have recommended these ones. This is a insert a column or bar chart. This is insert line or area chart, and this is pie or donut chart. So whatever new number you can insert and look at them there. We also have a map chart, pivot chart. So your sales, so let's say we have this column chart, your sales. We also have line chart for sales. You can also do a pie chart and stack area chart for sales. So let me select, let me I want to select all this. A chart, then let's say make a clustered column. Are you seeing this? Are you able to see this? Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
unaona a column chart nime create for this is sales. So ni reduce nini kidogo. Reduce zoom kidogo. Na nime reduce sana. Yeah. So yes.
Nasema iko sawa.
Really?
The
Oh
fonts.
yeah.
I'm
So
saying
yes,
font
you
is
can
okay.
also yeah, you can also change. So unaona once you select a chart, you insert a chart, you can also change when yenye unataka hapa. Unaona this is the one yenye nimeweka. If you also want to change, you can the different styles za chart. So unaona hapa difference ni January imeweka hiyo pesa yake hapo, February, the different styles that you can use for this.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, so that is when inserting a chart. Oh, pivot chart. So hapa we have first let's look at chart elements. So you can add, remove or change chart elements such as title, legend, grid lines and data labels. So if you click there, kuna axis iko, axis title. So axis title, umeona this nini imekuja this side. Let me click on it ndio uone. Axis title nikieka, unaona so hapo you can write something. So hapo nieke sales. Let me just write sales. Acha ni delete. So the hiyo ndio inakuwa axis title. Then this is the chart title. So let's say chart title nieke, so just write report. Something like that. Yes. So you can do that. You can also do data. You can also add data labels. I wanted to notice what happens when Niki hover on data labels. Are you seeing that?
Data labels.
Yeah. Look at the chart. Look at the chart itself. Yes.
Okay.
So nikiweka data label, are you seeing any change?
Yeah.
What is it?
The figures are coming.
Yes, data label shows the figures zenye ziko hapo, like yeah, it shows the values for every data yenye inakuwa entered. Yes, so it's displayed directly on the chart. Sasa unaona hapa this side ni hizi ni axis. So hapa you can just tell. Wajua when something is like this, unaona niseme kama hii January, this chart inaonyesha tu it's between 10,000 and 15,000. It's not haishaonyeshi value, inakuonyesha tu the range. So unajua tu it's between hapa. So, and then this one unaona ni between 15 na 20,000. The same with this one. This naye ni 15,000. So are you seeing even when I click inakupatia this the correct data, the correct value. Are you seeing hapa kwa nini niki hover this nini when I click on February hapa juu inakupatia the nini it shows you the
side.
Yes,
it's not visible from my side. I can't see anything. It's just the same.
Okay. Can you see now?
No.
You're still not seeing, but let me just add data label so you can see visually. So data label displays the value on the chart. So instead of just gazing at it. Oh, unaona venye na add data label. Okay. Unaona this, you can click on this chart, like me click on this chart, then this plus sign. Are you seeing this plus sign? The chart elements. Yes, this plus sign the chart elements. So there you can add. If I click on it, it's going to bring me options. Jamani. If a chart elements ni axis title, like I change this axis title to say nikaiandika sale, then hapa juu ni chart title nikaandika report.
Yep.
So data label pia ni hapa. So whatever you want for chart, you just click. So nika click data label, it will give you the value. It will show you the value on the chart itself.
Oh.
Yes. We also have data table. Are you seeing? I want to notice this change. Unaona nikiweka data labels, it just shows January, Feb, March, April na sale na report hapo hivyo. Then if nikiweka data table, you can also add a data table. So data table ndio hii hapa. Are you seeing hapa chini? So imekuwa Jan, sale ni 12,000, February 18, March 15 na April 20,000. Are you seeing? So that is a data table. We can also add error bars. We can also add error bars. So we have standard error percentage. Standard error ni hiyo, what is percentage is that, standard deviation na more options. So that is error bars. So grid lines already ziko. Niki-click grid lines ni easy. I don't know if you can see these lines, horizontal lines from left to right, easy. Zinakata across. Niseme 15,000 ziko na line hapa. So those are grid lines. If you don't want grid lines, you just unclick. Yeah, so data labels, they show exact value and they make charts easier to understand.
We still at chart design.
We are still on charts.
Okay.
Yes, you can see that we're still on charts, working with charts.
Okay.
So grid lines, let me turn nirudishe grid lines, and then you also have legend. So with the legend, you can click right, top, left, now bottom, now more options. So if I click legend, you can see the this cell axis in a change. I click legend. Cells in legend, default hapa ni legend right. Legend right cell. Unaona this cells inarudi huku right. Then you also have top cells, and then left, and then bottom. So yeah. Yeah, so this plus button can be the chart when you click on the chart, this plus button you're gonna chart elements. Yeah, so we're going to learn about pivot charts. This is already a chart, so let's see. Tuone pivot chart. So use pivots to graphically summarize data and explore complicated data. So hapa inasema select the table range. It's already selected, the one now selected. And then choose where you want the pivot chart to be placed. Let's say existing worksheet. Choose whether you want to analyze multiple tables. Create a pivot chart. Do you want to replace it? Cancel. Let me cancel. Acha tu tuiweke kwa new sheet. New sheet. Okay, new worksheet. So yeah. So far they say, so we have choose fields to add to report. We have month, and choose month. And then
sales.
So I can also choose sales, but this is the pivot table list. So it only has in month na sales. So if I click that, inaonyesha sum of sales totally. So total ni 65,000. Let's see. Tulikuwa kwa nini gani? Hata nimesahau tulikuwa wapi. Tulikuwa on another sheet. Not that. Yeah. Oh, tulikuwa hapa.
Budget. Kwa sheet yenyewe iko na
Budget,
sales.
No, I remember ilikuwa nini?
Sales. No. Personal monthly budget. I don't know.
Sheets zimekuwa mingi. Tulikuwa kwa sheet 2. Sheets zimekuwa mingi. Yeah, we are here. So total ya hii, so inapatiana total. Yeah, total ya hizi unaona total ya sales ni 65,000. So like pivot chart it summarizes, inakuonyesha to summarize. It summarizes that and explore complicated. So unaona imetupatia tu sales as 65,000. That means it made add sales from January to April. So sasa hiyo ya pivot imecreate gani tena? Hizo tu sasa zimekuwa mingi. Delete hizi zingine. So deleting sheet deletes. Budget, sales, then sheet 4, yeah. So inapotea sum of sales ni 65,000. So that is how you use. So we have used a pivot chart. So it gives you the summary of your nini. You can also do you can also do this chart, let's say
maps.
I do nini. Unataka kama pie chart itakuwa hivyo. So if ukienda hapa tukinini pie chart itakuwa hivi. And then being that it's not showing as anything, being that not showing as anything, you go to, if you want to see the data labels, you go to that, you will make a data label. So it was just sizes ilikuwa pie, but now you can see this is 20,000, this is 12, this is 15, and this is 18. Yes. So with the nini, you just select. You can also do a Gantt chart. Have you ever prepared a Gantt chart before?
Gantt chart, I'm not sure.
Unasema?
I'm not sure of a Gantt chart.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Gantt chart ni huwa inatumika, niseme kama you're making nini. Let's say you are making a project plan. Sasa like itakuwa na duration, time, like the original start date, the end date, vitu kama hizo. Yeah, so Gantt chart will itakusaidia kutengeneza hizo. But being that you need, that means you don't use it, so it's okay. I won't be showing you. So yeah, so for charts. Yes, now you're not using it, so why? It's a complicated process, so only mtu anataka kurelate itabidi tu say research, but okay, it's not complicated. I can just give you an overview. Like I want to, but these won't work. We'll just try them. Then I want to insert a chart. So let's say I want to do a nini. It's not going to work on this.
At Gantt chart shows.
It's not. It shows like a schedule. Maybe you want to do a schedule. So when you're doing something, maybe you are doing a project, a schedule ni maana. So niseme unataka from this date to this date, siko na original start date. From this date to this date, you'll be doing this. Or duration, how long will it take? So that is displayed for Gantt chart.
Okay.
But we won't be able to use this info nini. Ita work vizuri. So let's just continue. So another way you can add a chart label. You are not a chart label. You can add a data label. Let's say acha ni click up a data label because already tulisha click. Another way you can add a data label. You go to chart design, then add chart element. Add chart element. You click that down arrow and then you click data labels. So data labels you want it. Now we are at none. You can do center, inside, end. I wanted to see the changes it makes for the pie chart. If you do center, it is the data label center. Then you can also do inside end, then outside end, that is on the outside, best fit and data call out. So let's say I want to do center. So let's say, so when you're using a chart, either you can use this plus sign. You select this chart, pie chart, you select it, and then itakuletea this plus sign kando yake. You click it, it will show you the data elements. Then you can click data tables or unclick it. Or you can go to chart design and add a data label. So here you can also add a chart title, above chart, centered, overlay, vitu kama hizo. You can also add a legend. Okay. Tumeelewana hadi hapo? Mko na swali?
Yeah, I was saying, like, unaona ukienda hapo kwa chart labels, add chart element, the drop down is not showing on my side.
Gani? Kwa chart design ama kwa plus sign?
Kwa what? Kwa nini? Kwa like whenever you go to
chart?
No.
Hujatengeneza chart sahi?
Mm-mm.
But okay, I don't understand your question.
My question is, when you go to the way you're saying, you go to pivot chart, and then you have pivot chart table. I can't see your okay, I can see your cursor, but I can't see when you drop down on the, what is this? On the, this thing is called what? Where the file home insert is called the?
Oh, the tabs.
Yeah, like that's the, when you go to the tabs, when you drop down, like when you go to somewhere, anywhere, when you go to any of them and then you drop down that menu, when you're telling me something, I can't see it. No, not there. I can see
so
yeah. Drop down.
Simefinya.
Sioni.
One easy.
That is why I was concerned, and then when I opened mine, like now I can see that you're together. When I drop down myself from my own side, I can see pivot chart, and table.
And the pivot
so
chart
when you
and
are doing,
table.
When I was doing, I thought like you're just saying things.
No, it's okay. I don't know why you're going on, but can you see it right now?
No, it's that, like I can see your cursor is there at the pivot chart, but when you drop down, I can't see anything. Drop down. I can't see those.
Because right now, nime drop down. What if I do this? Can you see this?
No. Anything like you click on this, yeah, it's not visible from my side. Okay. Yeah, when I want to understand,
let me show my entire screen then, and see if there's a difference. So, what of now? Can you see?
Have you dropped?
Okay, let me drop down pivot chart.
Can you see? I can see. Now I can see.
Oh yeah, I was presenting just a window, not the entire screen. I think that's why.
Okay, now I can see.
Yeah, so okay, so even if I do this, you're able to see?
Yes, I can see.
So nilikuwa najiongelesha time I was showing you these different charts.
Yeah.
You should have raised your issue earlier.
Like I was wondering, like, what are you saying? I can't see anything, but okay. Maybe it's me. Okay. So I said,
no, I think, yeah, I wasn't sharing the entire screen. Yeah, so these are the different charts. We have column chart, we have line charts.
Line chart.
Yeah, so column chart, you can use column chart to compare categories, different categories. Niseme kama sales. Here we are comparing sales for nini hapa. We are comparing sales for different months. So you can use a column chart to do that. With a bar chart, you can compare categories when labels are long. Bar chart ndio hii. You can compare nini when this is the nini how it looks. So you can compare the categories when labels are long. So another we also have line charts. They show trends. Line chart is used to show trend. So let's say if I do a line chart right now, it's going to show the trend. trend of how the nini. Nimezoom sana. Acha nirudi slowly. Yeah, so unaona imeanzia hapa nini. Let's do a data label so you can see vizuri. So hapa imeanzia 10,000 to 15. So that means the trend imeanzia 12,000 ikaenda 18 ikarudi chini to 15 and then ikaenda 20,000. Are you able to see that? So line chart you can use it for trends, to show trends. We also have a pie chart yenye tulikuwa tumeona, like this pie chart. This is imefunika pie chart. So pie chart ndio. So pie chart it shows the proportions of a whole. So pie chart could be like in 20, in 12, in 18, in 15. So they show different proportions. Yeah. So we've seen creating a chart. You insert a chart, then you choose your chart type. So hapa bado I was showing you the chart types. I was showing you the different charts. I don't want to create a chart, guys. Leave me alone. Come on. So let me just select so that they can show me. Yeah, so all charts here. We have column, we have line, we have pie. So have bar, we also have area, XY scatter. So we have these different ones. We also have a map. So in a field map, I don't know if you can see this. That is maps. Then we have also stock, high-low case, and then surface. But most of the time we will be using column, line, pie, or bar chart. Using Kine, there are more nini. We also have a tree map, histogram, box and whisker, waterfall, funnel, na combo. So combo ni clustered column plus line. So let's say I want to do this combo. Which combo should I go for? Let me do clustered column line. So you may select any line on secondary or 6 then. Yeah. So those are the different charts that you can insert. So hii tumetumia, this is a line chart. We've done a line chart. Come on.
Connection was lost.
Yes, nimesikia kitu hiki nini?
Sina nashanga my connection is lost. Nashinda rada.
Oh, ndio umejoin tena. Nilikuwa najiongelesha Lilian. Hata uniambie.
Umejiongelesha for some time nashindwa. So I had to go back and see if my YouTube is connecting. It's connecting. So nasema maybe it's a technical error. I thought I didn't have bundles on my phone.
So I was showing you different charts. Umeona hapo nikionyesha different charts. So sasa hapa tumetumia line chart for this example. Yes.
Oh yeah, umenionyesha bar, inaitwa bar what? Bar charts.
Bar charts.
Umeonyesha line chart and how they are used. Yeah, so you're showing me pie charts.
Oh, basi si umetoka kubaya. Mimi hadi nishamaliza hizo vitu zote jamani. Okay, so so that means ni area, XY map. This is how map looks like. Yes.
Map is used for?
So maps, okay. Data needed to create your map chart will be sent to Bing. Then you just click I accept. So this is how the map looks like, a map chart. Yes, so it's a map. So unaona hapa ni April, then 20,000. So in April 20,000 series port, acha niweke data label so we see. Imeonyesha tu April pekee. Imeonyesha tu April pekee, the highest value. So powered by Bing and all that. So chat styles. Also, I didn't show you chat styles. Let me use a different name. If I do this, so with chat styles, you can change the style. You can change the style of your chat. Let me use nitumie gani? Let me use this. Acha ni delete hizi ndio kuona hii kwa rahisi. So now you've seen how many charts zinaka. So let's say I want to apply chart style to this. If I do this, tunaona hapa drop down. Can you see this drop down? So let's say I want to do this chart. So these are just different styles you can put for some charts. Ni same tu na zenye zilikuwa hapa juu.
Yeah.
If you double click on the chart, unaona itakuletea the styles, different styles. So yeah, I think I showed you that. But sasa ni tu kama ku add data elements, you can either go here or use the plus sign for the chart itself. Once you select the chart, this one. So hizi ni shortcuts and then nini. This is for nini chart filters. You can edit what data points and names are visible on your charts. So this is a chart filter. So in it, select all now sales. So with categories, let's say if I don't want to do January, if I don't want to nini, natoa tu hiyo, then I can also remove that and that and that. So with filters, you nini, use only values, names, rows, series, yarn, and all that. So that is a chart filter. You can also change chart type. Hapa tu kwa nini? Oh, add chart elements ulishaona. Tulisema if you want to, sema kama click on a chart and then it's not the chart design ikuji, you just double click it so it shows. So we also have quick layouts. You can change the layout, and then you can also change the colors if you want this. If you want this, so none of the colors are changed. Yes. So you can also do that. So hapa you can switch row or column. You can switch row or column, and then you can select data, and then you can also change the chart type. So here, this was clustered column, but you can also change it to, let's say you want to change it to gani chart gani hatujafanya. Tumefanya column, line, pie na hatujafanya basi ndio. Yes, so if I want to do a bar, you nini you say itakuwa clustered bar, and then you click okay. So unaona like you can also change the chart type hapo juu. So these are just filling. You can do different colors in automatic. You change pale juu, and also can do border. Can also move a chart to move this chart to another sheet or tab in the workbook. Can also move the charts. Yes, any questions?
Yeah. I think I have questions. Bar charts, they're used. Bar charts, they're used when the columns are long. What do you mean columns are long?
Did they say when the columns are long?
Yeah. You said when the columns are long, you can use a bar chart. So I was wondering, what is that?
I said when the labels are long.
Oh, when the labels.
Yes.
Like the name, the label names.
So like the bar chart, it just displays that are using horizontal bars to compare values across categories. So a bar chart difference yake tu ni kushow like values horizontally. These clustered column hizo zinacheza like vertically, but bar chart it shows horizontally.
Horizontally. Okay.
So bars go from left to right, and you can compare their lengths. That's what I mean when the labels are long. So you can compare the lengths.
Okay.
Yeah. The longer the bar, the higher the value. So unaona like hapa 20,000 is the longest bar, si ndio? So the longer the bar, the higher the value.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
So the only difference between column bar and column chart and bar chart ni bar charts are horizontal bars na column chart are vertical bars.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So any other question?
No other questions.
Understood.
Yep.
Okay. So I don't know, I think we can stop there. So we do the last tomorrow.
The last.
And then class itakuwa imeisha, the last category. The next one is preparing outputs. Yes. Yes. So will you be available tomorrow?
Yep. I don't know, I'm not sure, but yeah,
Okay.
I'll try.
Okay.
I'll try. You.